Tagalog phrases for couples. I'm happy with you. Masaya ako sa'yo. Masaya ako sa'yo. Masaya ako sa'yo. Masaya means happy. Ako means I. Sa'yo means to you or with you. I'm happy with you. Masaya ako sa'yo. I'm all yours. Sayong-sayo ako. Sayong-sayo ako. Sayong-sayo ako. Sayong-sayo means all yours. Ako means I. I'm all yours. Sayong-sayo ako. You're only mine. Akin ka lang. Akin ka lang. Akin ka lang. Akin means mine. Ka means you. Lang means only. You're only mine. Akin ka lang. We are compatible. Bagay tayo. Bagay tayo. Bagay tayo. Bagay means compatible or suits. Tayo means we. We are compatible. Bagay tayo. I feel butterflies in my stomach. Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig means feel butterflies in stomach. Ako means I. I feel butterflies in my stomach. Kinikilig ako. I'm thinking of you. Iniisip kita. Iniisip kita. Iniisip kita. Iniisip means thinking. Kita means I and you. I'm thinking of you. Iniisip kita. I will kiss you. Hahalikan kita. Hahalikan kita. Hahalikan kita. Hahalikan means will kiss. Kita means I and you. I will kiss you. Hahalikan kita. I'm already contented with you. Kontento na ako sa'yo. Kontento na ako sa'yo. Kontento na ako sa'yo. Kontento means contented. Na means already. Ako means I. Sa'yo means to you or with you. I'm already contented with you. Kontento na ako sa'yo. Hug me. Yakapin mo ako. Yakapin mo ako. Yakapin mo ako. Yakapin means hug. Mo means you. Ako means I or me. Hug me. Yakapin mo ako. You are enough for me. Ikaw lang sapat na. Ikaw lang sapat na. Ikaw lang sapat na. Ikaw means you. Lang means just or only. Sapat means enough. Na means already. You are enough for me. Ikaw lang sapat na. You're so sweet. Napakalambing mo. Napakalambing mo. Napakalambing mo. Napaka means so or very. Lambing means sweet or affectionate. Mo means you. You're so sweet. Napakalambing mo. I wish I am there. Sana nandyan ako. Sana nandyan ako. Sana nandyan ako. Sana means hope or wish. Nandyan means there. Ako means I. I wish I am there. Sana nandyan ako. I want to be with you. Gusto kitang makasama. Gusto kitang makasama. Gusto kitang makasama. Gusto means want or like. Kitang or kita means I and you. Makasama means to be with or together. I want to be with you. Gusto kitang makasama. You are the only one I love. Ikaw lang ang mahal ko. Ikaw lang ang mahal ko. Ikaw lang ang mahal ko. Ikaw means you. Lang means just or only. Ang means the. Mahal means love. Ko means I. You're the only one I love. Ikaw lang ang mahal ko. You are sulking. Nagtatampo ka. Nagtatampo ka. Nagtatampo ka. Nagtatampo means sulking or upset. Ka means you. You are sulking. Nagtatampo ka. Don't sulk anymore. Huwag ka nang magtampo. Huwag ka nang magtampo. Huwag ka nang magtampo. Wag means don't. Ka means you. Nang means already. Magtampo means to sulk. Don't sulk anymore. Huwag ka nang magtampo. He, she, or you will smile now. Ngingiti na yan. Ngingiti na yan. Ngingiti na yan. Ngingiti means will smile. Na means already. Yan means he, she, or you. You will smile now or he, she will smile now. Ngingiti na yan. You are more beautiful when you smile. Maganda ka lalo pag nakangiti. Maganda ka lalo pag nakangiti. Maganda ka lalo pag nakangiti. Maganda means beautiful. Ka means you. Lalo means more. Pag means when. Nakangiti means smile. You are more beautiful when you smile. Maganda ka lalo pag nakangiti. It doesn't suit you when you are frowning. Hindi bagay sa'yo pag nakasimangot ka. Hindi bagay sa'yo pag nakasimangot ka. Hindi bagay sa'yo pag nakasimangot ka. Hindi bagay means it doesn't suit. Sa'yo means to you. Pag means when. Nakasimangot means frowning. Ka means you. It doesn't suit you when you are frowning. Hindi bagay sa'yo pag nakasimangot ka. You're so nice to stare at. Ang sarap mong titigan. Ang sarap mong titigan. Ang sarap mong titigan. Ang sarap means delicious. It can also be mean so nice. Mong means you. Titigan means to stare at. You're so nice to stare at. Ang sarap mong titigan. My love for you will not change or will never change. Hindi magbabago pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Hindi magbabago pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Hindi magbabago pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Hindi magbabago means will never change. Pagmamahal ko means my love. Sa'yo means to you, or with you, or for you. My love for you will never change or will not change. Hindi magbabago pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Thank you for watching!